Picture this, a future where your money works tirelessly for you day and night without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, welcome to the world of AI investments, where the possibilities are as endless as your financial freedom. In this video, we're about to embark on a thrilling journey that will unveil the secrets of AI investments and show you how they can pave the way to your financial independence. In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, traditional investment methods are no longer the sole route to financial success. The age of artificial intelligence has dawned upon us, and it's rewriting the rules of the game. AI investments have emerged as a powerful force, capable of generating wealth like never before. But what exactly are AI investments, and how can they lead you to financial freedom? Let's dive into the exhilarating world of AI-driven financial opportunities. The rise of AI investments. The financial markets have seen a remarkable transformation with the integration of AI technology. Algorithms, data analytics, and machine learning are now at the heart of investment strategies. I can analyze vast datasets, spot trends, and make split-second decisions that humans can only dream of. This evolution has made AI investments an essential tool for those seeking financial freedom. Smarter investing with AI. Traditional investing requires time, effort, and expertise. AI investments, on the other hand, offer an intelligent and automated approach. AI algorithms can manage your portfolio, rebalance assets, and optimize your investments for maximum returns. This means less stress and more time for you to enjoy life while your money works diligently in the background. Risk mitigation. Achieving financial freedom is not just about making money, it's also about protecting what you have. AI investments excel in risk management. They can analyze market conditions and adjust your portfolio to minimize potential losses. With AI by your side, you can navigate the volatile financial seas with confidence. Diverse investment opportunities. AI investments open doors to a wide range of assets and markets. From stocks and bonds to cryptocurrencies and real estate, AI can provide insights and opportunities in areas you may not have considered. Diversifying your investments can be a crucial step towards financial freedom. Accessibility for all. Gone are the days when AI investments were reserved for the elite. Today, AI-powered investment platforms are accessible to everyone. Whether you have a large sum to invest or just starting, there's an AI investment solution for you. It's time to level the playing field and make financial freedom a reality for all. Continuous learning. AI investments are not stagnant. They evolve and learn from every market shift. This constant improvement ensures that your investments adapt to changing conditions, helping you stay on the path to financial freedom no matter what challenges arise. Real-time insights. AI investments provide you with real-time insights into your portfolio's performance and market conditions. You can access detailed reports and analytics, allowing you to make informed decisions promptly. This level of transparency and information empowers you to take control of your financial destiny and make adjustments as needed, all in real time. In a world where financial independence is a universal aspiration, AI investments offer a thrilling and accessible path forward. They bring the power of cutting-edge technology to your financial journey, helping you make smarter decisions and navigate the complexities of the market. So, are you ready to embrace the future of finance? It's time to take action, explore AI investments, and embark on your journey towards financial freedom. Your financial destiny is in your hands, and AI is here to help you reach it faster and more efficiently than ever before. Don't miss out on this opportunity to reshape your financial future. Subscribe to our channel for the latest insights, like this video if you found it exciting and informative, and leave a comment to share your thoughts and questions. Together, we can unlock the limitless potential of AI investments and pave the way to financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating adventure.